Hi everybody, I'm Bill Singer, 6th grade teacher at Wright Charter School, and I'm going to give you a really short tutorial on how to use Zoom to make videos for your class, including screen shares. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Zoom app, and you will start a new meeting in which you will be the only person there. So first you can use this to just show a video of yourself, but the first thing you want to do is you click the record button. And so now, I'll unmute myself. So now I'm recording everything that's on here, and I can do a screen share. I click screen share, and I'm going to go to this window that I have open. So now I'm showing my Google Classroom, and I'm showing the kids how to do different things on Google Classroom. And when I'm done, I click the stop share, and then I can yada, yada, yada talk. Another nice thing to know, if you happen to have your document camera from your classroom, if you come down here where next to the video camera, you can choose between which camera. So now it's on my FaceTime camera, but if I click on this, now it's my document camera, which is looking at my math book. So that is a helpful thing to do. Now I'm going to stop recording. And so what it does is it saves that recording. If I click end meeting, you'll see that it says converting meeting recording. So it'll save that. And we'll see how this is working. And the important thing to remember is, where do you find it? So it actually opened the window for me, but just so you know, the way you look in your documents folder, and there is now a folder called Zoom, and then within the Zoom folder, it names the folders by the date. So today is 4/8/2020, and so that has it. And it's the file that's called MP4. It ends with MP4. So it's called Zoom 0. If I had made more than one recording today, it'd be Zoom 1, Zoom 2, Zoom 3, and so on and so forth like that. So you can then take this file and just upload it straight to your Google Drive if you want, or you can upload it to YouTube. The nice thing about putting it on your drive is there's no ads or anything for the kids to look at, but you do have limited space on your Google Drive. So if you're doing a lot of videos, then you can use up your drive pretty quick, whereas if you do it on YouTube, it can go on forever. Also, if you do it on YouTube, you can like add little cards, you can trim the video, things like that. Of course, you can use iMovie too if you want to make it really fancy with all the different titles and edits and transitions. But to keep it simple, the simplest thing is just take this file, upload it to your Google Drive, and then add that to a Google Classroom assignment. Okay, so let's try uploading this to our Google Classroom, because that's probably the easiest thing. So I have this here in my Zoom folder. It's called Zoom 0 MP4. I'm going to come to my Google Drive. I'm going to just drag this right over to my Google Drive. And you can see it's uploading right now. It's a little bit slow. I'm not sure on the performance of having a lot of people view this video at once from Google Drive. You know, like if you have 20 kids all trying to view the video at the same time, you might run into problems. So in that case, YouTube is a better choice, but I'm just going to do the simple one here. And I'll just search for Zoom. And here it is, Zoom 0 MP4. And now I'm watching this from the Google Drive. It's not from my computer. Oh, and it's processing the video, of course. Thank you. So it will take a few minutes, possibly, or longer for it to process the video. If you notice, it's 9 megabytes, and that was, you know, a fairly short video I did. So it gets kind of big. All right, let's see if it's ready now. And here's the video. So there we go. Does it work? So now I'm recording everything that's on here. Great. Okay. So that is how you do it. And now you would just take this file and put it on, well, let's just do it. Let's put it on Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my stream and I'm going to say, check it out. I'm going to do add from Google Drive, and recent ones should pop up. And look, there it is, Zoom.mp4. And now there's a video that kids can just, I click post, and anybody going online will see this. All right, I hope this was helpful. Singer out.